On a calm, shimmering lake surrounded by tall reeds and blooming lilies, lived a swan named Sasha. With her snow-white feathers and graceful glide, she was admired by all the animals who lived nearby. "She's the most beautiful creature on the lake," whispered the ducklings. "She swims like poetry," said the frogs. But Sasha never let the compliments go to her head. She always greeted everyone kindly, from the tiniest bug to the biggest heron, and helped where she could. One morning, the animals announced a special event, the Great Lake Talent Show. Excitement filled the air. The fish practiced flips, the turtles tapped their shells like drums, and the birds rehearsed their songs. "Sasha, are you going to perform?" asked a little duck. Sasha smiled gently. "Oh no, I think this is a wonderful chance for everyone else to shine. But you're the most graceful on the lake." "Perhaps," Sasha said, "but tonight is not about who's the best. It's about sharing what makes us all special." That evening, animals gathered on lily pads and logs, buzzing with joy. Performers took the stage one by one. The turtles' rhythm made everyone clap, the frogs sang funny songs, and the dragonflies did an amazing light dance. And even though she didn't perform, Sasha cheered the loudest for each of them. At the end of the show, the animals gave Sasha a surprise gift, a crown made of reeds and daisies. "You showed us that true beauty isn't just about how you look or move," said the old owl. "It's about lifting others up." Sasha bowed her head, humbled and touched, because sometimes the quietest hearts make the biggest difference.